Hey guys, I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this 32-inch boho single-lace twist full lace wig that I received from Fabelle hair. This is the hair straight out of the package. This hair is in the color ombre auburn, and as you can see, I'm showing you the parting space here, a lot of parting space, full lace all around. And we're going to jump straight into the install. I went ahead and added some makeup to the lace. Because this is my first time installing a braided or a twisted wig, I was not sure if I was able to bleach the knots without it seeping through the hair. So I just went ahead and added makeup all around the lace. If you've installed a braided wig before, let me know your method for the knots, because I just wasn't sure, so I just chose makeup. And then here I am just trying it on to see how I want it to sit on my head. And this came with baby hairs already pulled out, so that was a plus, but I did pull more out. Now I'm just going to adjust it to my liking and then go ahead and start cutting off the ear tabs. This is a full lace wig, but I didn't install the back of the wig, so I did cut the ear tabs as well as the access lace in the back. After cutting the ear tabs, I am going to go in with some Got To Be spray to lay this wig. I do have a burn close to my hairline from a previous install, so I did just go in with Got To Be instead of securing this wig with Ghost Bond or even lace glue. Now we're going to go in and cut the extra lace into 3 sections just so that we can pull the hair exactly to where we want it. We're going to lay it straight on top of the Got To Be adhesive. And just make sure you stretch the lace and push those knots directly into the Got To Be. Sectioning the lace before laying it down really helps with placement of where exactly you want that hairline to be. And then again, I'm just going to go in and press with the teeth of the comb the lace and the knots of the wig. After I've secured the wig where I want it and place it on a wig band, I just go and cut the back of the lace like I said previously, because I will not be gluing it down. Now taking the wig band off, I am just going to go in with an eyebrow razor and cut the excess lace off that is not glued down. And then any parts that needed more glue, like here where I have the burn, I just went ahead with some more adhesive spray and laid that down as well. And when pulling the lace off the eyebrow razor, I just laid the razor down and then pulled the lace across it so it cuts it naturally on its own, if that makes sense. After getting the excess lace off, I went ahead again and put the wig band on. The single lace on this wig were really neat. I am going to show you the parting space in the back. Then we are going to go in and start doing the baby hairs. So it did come with pre-cut baby hairs. So when cutting the excess lace off, I did cut some of them off. So I am going to end up pulling more out of the single lace twist and making them more fuller. I do just go in with a small curling iron and curl those hairs and then make them shorter with an eyebrow razor, of course. For this to be my first braided or twisted wig, I do feel like I did a good job, but I do think that it could be better. So if y'all have any tips, let me know in the comments. Because I wasn't sure of what exactly I was going to do with the baby hairs, at this point I went ahead and styled them with some eco styling gel just so that I'm able to move them around and they're not really filled with a bunch of product and really sticky. This part can get tricky, so just play with it until you have them to your liking, really. Finishing the baby hairs, I went in with some concealer just to blend in the parts a little bit more because I again did not bleach the knots. I wasn't very precise with the concealer because I wanted this hairstyle to give kind of like a messy vacation type of vibe, like cute but messy. Of course, tying it down again after adding the concealer and the baby hairs. And then taking off the wig band, I just combed out the baby hairs again just to give it a messy kind of vibe. And here's the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments how I did and anything I could have done better, and if I helped you guys at all. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.